The lead at 4, another day of disturbing testimony and images in the trial of Alec Murdaugh. Yesterday, prosecutors presenting body cam videos showing the crime scene and the weapon they say was used in the killings. And for the first time, the jury saw video of Alec Murdaugh at the crime scene. Prosecutors pointed out that he was wearing a spotless white T-shirt, but the victims, Paul and Maggie Murdaugh, were covered in blood. The jury also heard the unsettling 911 call Murdaugh made after he said he discovered their bodies.
Are they breathing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, and you said it's your wife and your son?
My wife and my son.
And right now, we want to give you a live look inside the courtroom in Colleton County. The prosecution is continuing to make its case. WSAV's Andrew Davis has been inside the courtroom. He has been following this story from day one. And Andrew is joining us live now from outside the Colleton County Courthouse with what happened in the courtroom today.
That's right. You just saw the courtroom, and they're still going on talking to forensics experts about those shell casing that are found on the ground. But it was a very long week of testimony here. It did come to the close with some video and audio, though, that we have not seen before. It's from Alec Murdaugh from the night of the murders. You heard that 911 call earlier. We've played you some of the audio from that first interview that he did on the scene. This is about 2 hours after the killings, with a Colleton County Sheriff's deputy and sled officer inside the car, talking specifically about those few moments after he found the bodies.
I ran out. I knew it was really bad. My boy over there, I could see it was.
A very emotional Alec Murdaugh there. You could see everything that he was feeling at that moment. He did go on to say he found Maggie's body as well and offered 2 possible sets of suspects for those killings. The first, a man named C.B. Rowe. He's a groundskeeper on the Murdaugh property, who Alex said could be connected, but believed that he and Paul actually got along. But the other theory that he had, that it was someone who had a grudge against Paul from the boat crash. Alex said Paul had actually gotten attacked and even gotten a black eye on at least one occasion.
I don't know of any direct threats between any of the people on the boat specifically, but I do think there's been a small amount of yip-yap between a couple of them, but not recently.
Okay.
Most of this was stuff from people that Paul didn't really know.
Now, that video also offers a possible timeline for an alibi for Alex, as well as a timeline for the murders themselves. Colleton County detective on the stand made a point, though, of saying a few things, especially things that were unusual about the night, including the fact that Paul's phone seemingly being placed on top of his own body, the dead body at that time, and the condition of Alex's clothes, which were completely clean, despite the blood that was in that room, and the fact that he checked the pulse of both Maggie and Paul at the time. Testimony is continuing right now, but we have much more from the prosecution from this morning, as well as a defense reaction to exactly what that blood spatter means tonight. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.